There's a loot. I think there's another thunderstorm coming. But what I'm saying, it is a storm. This is scary, guys. Get Nick out here to do a rain dance again. Can't actually do that actually. Go and get Nick to do a rain dance again. Yep. Huh? Oh God. Huh? What are you doing?
Do you think we're going to have a storm?
Yeah. Look, cold. Raining. Can you get me dressed?
I've got some pajamas actually, I'll better put some on. You guys have got some pajamas for tonight.
Rumbles.
Who's got me on?
Yes, I'm not getting you dressed, Robert. It's no point. We're not going out anywhere. We're not doing anything. So get over it. Move on. Next question.
Oh, mate.
We don't have to get dressed every day, Robert. We're not doing anything. I ain't got no money to do anything.
Yeah, but I really wish I had something warm for my legs because I really want to go out there.
You can't. If there's a storm approaching, maybe you won't go that low. Go out there and see if it's rumbling. Yeah.
I thought this was a tornado.
Stand there, it's all white.
It's better than nothing. Oh man, they look sick. Right, let's go take a look at the others. Funnel cloud coming down. Oh mate. Oh God, it's cold. Oh my God, it's raining. Get all over my greys. I don't want to get my greys wet. Otherwise it starts peeling off again. Well, hell, we're singing in the rain. Oh mate. I'm the same person who done Hazel Marsh. So subscribe to me. Oh my God. It was nice. It was a nice day yesterday. Oh my God. 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 I should see it from a mile. Oh mate. What a pure thunderstorm. I don't know, it is a storm though. Oh damn. Oh my god. You see that? Mom! Oh my god. Mom, it's a thunderstorm! Mom! Mom, get Nicola out here. Alright. I'll knock on that door! Huh? Ow. Oh, can you? Oh wait, get back in. Nicola! Come out and watch the storm. What? Like, ow! She scratched me.
Oh.
Nicola, she scratched me.
Oh.
Ow!
Oh,
Get back in!
She just wants to, she's just trying to get out of the room.
I saw a lightning bolt.
So did
I did no. I
Oh,
just
she
heard a little bit of
She
it.
cut me.
Did she catch your thing?
Does she like thunder?
I want to see the thunder and lightning.
I've recorded. I heard. I'm going to be recording it on my new channel.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm going to sing it.
Do a jump touch.
In
Daddy.
In that.
Oh, and if I get
Ow!
a little bit,
She's scratching me.
Right, God, please stay.
Look at those damn clouds. Come on. Let's
Spring's got trees. Stay.
dance in the rain. Do some dancing in the rain again. Damn it, look at it. Oh God. Can you get that to keep the door open? Look at that. Oh,
Yeah, well, I'll tell you all the time what's going in washing lines anyway. I'll tell you all the time what's going in.
I'm gonna go and get my face. Can I get some tracksuit bombs? Because I don't want to get my grays wet. It'll peel off. It'll peel off again. It'll keep coming off again. The healing. It'll keep coming off. You ready? What?
I know that it's lightning and rain. Granddad's farting in the shower. And Granddad's farting sneezing in the shower.
Phoebe, get recording.
Shower.
Phoebe, get recording. Oh my God. Oh God.
There's lightning, you just missed that.
What?
You just missed lightning. You did, you just missed it.
Granddad's farting sneezing in the shower. Granddad's farting sneezing in the shower.
Did you hear that? Can you hear it?
Don't get your raincoat on and then you're not going to get wet.
Did you hear it? Did you hear it? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Nick, come back! Right. Woohoo! Oh my god! Oh god. This is awful. I hate getting wet in the rain. Oh man. Oh! Ah, damn I! My phone's getting wet. Hey guys, watch out for thunder. Oh, my socks are wet. Please let me get some trousers. Please let me go and get some
Well, as long as
trousers.
she's twisting them like that, then that'd be fine.
Let me go and get some
Keep
trousers.
them clean and that, because the clear gun that comes out, it's the helium.
Please let me go and get some.
Oh, and put some trousers on.
Please let me go and get some trousers.
And some trousers on.
Gun in, gun
That's
in.
been really good. They know she's a pain.
Alright guys, here comes the thunder! And Rachel. Here comes the thunder! Here comes the thunder! I'll buy your shoes, son, because I don't know where mine are. I'm just gonna borrow them. It's the brand new day! Sam's gonna let me borrow his shoes, alright? I'm not gonna get them dirty or anything. Oh my god, look at that!
Go change trousers round.
Oh. Hey, it's all funny.
Crazy Robert. Mom, I still can't find them.
Get ready, Nick! Get ready, Nick! Nick, get ready! Nicola, get ready!